Hello everyone, this is Vinmay and today I'm giving a demo of my project GetARide. So let us start with the registration feature. When we have to register, we have to enter our username, our email ID with which we want to register to our service, the password. This password is saved to the database as a hash value and not as the text itself, with which there is a better security in the database for the user's password. Now when we click on register, the user is directly logged into our service. Now let me show you the login feature. Now this is how a customer logs in. This is the home page for the customer. Now let us see how a driver logs in. In our service, a customer can anytime be a driver whenever he feels. So he has to put his username, his password, and just click on the driver's checkbox and say login. He will get a login page. Now, if a customer wants to book a ride, he has to go to the tab of book a ride and he will get a map. Here he has to enter his source and destination. Let us go ahead and see what happens when we enter the source. This is a live autocomplete that is happening from the Google Maps API. So I select the source and the destination. And I say get my ride. With this, as you can see on the map, the source and the destination are displayed on the map and the route is also displayed on the map. When we click on get my ride, the driver which is nearest to the customer is sent a notification. For this to receive, we have to refresh the driver's page. Now the driver has the notification that the customer is there for him. Now how we have chosen this customer is we have used the haversign function and we have written a procedure for it. This procedure runs and calculates the nearest driver around of 30 miles and this driver is selected. So when the driver arrives at the customer, he can click on start the ride. So the ride has now begun. The drive can complete from the Concord Mill to the University Terrace Drive. Now after the drive is finished, the driver will click finish the ride. Now after finishing the ride, the driver will get a notification that the ride is over and there is no customer. After this, in the database, the cost of the ride is saved. And now the customer can also finish his ride. After he finishes his ride, he gets a notification of giving a rating for the driver. He can click on this rating and he'll be notified that the rating is submitted. Now what happens when the rating is updated? On the ratings insert, we have written a trigger with which it calculates the average for the driver, the average rating that the driver has got till now. Further, the user can give a feedback. Now when we click on submit, the feedback is saved onto the database and we get a notification that the feedback is saved. At this point, the ride is completely over and the user is ready to take the next ride. Now he can also look at his booking history and the amount that he has been served till now. Further, if a customer or you can observe the driver who wants to contact us, like contact the administrators of GetARide, he can click on contact, fill the contact form and he can contact us. Now we have a logout feature too. And further, I would like to mention that a feature that we have of remembering the user and also forgot password. If a person forgets a password, he can put in his email ID and username and reset the pass. He will get a link to reset the password. When he clicks on that link, he will go to a new page where he has to enter the new password and he can set his new password. Thank you.